Showbiz fanatics, Mr. or TBJ Itbulaga abay tinawag na yayamanin for the past 6 months dahil sa kanilang inilabas na billions of revenue sa nagpapatunay lang na hindi po sila nalulugi. Ang lahat ng yan. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Bago tayo magpatuloy, nais ko po muna of course magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga legit viewers, subscribers at ang lahat ng mga legit na nagmamahal at sumusubaybay sa lahat ng ating mga updates. And for today's video, eto na nga matapos po maglabas ng video si Mr. Joey De Leon or Master Henyo Joey De Leon sa pagka-clarify patungkol sa 15 years remark na hindi naman kaaway ang It's Showtime. So nanawagan po ang ito pong si Master Henyo Joey De Leon na tigilan na ang pagpapabricate at paggawa ng mga news na parang pinagsasabong nga naman. Kasi kung babalikan nyo lang naman talaga yung video, wala naman talagang binanggit na any names itong si Master Henyo Joey De Leon patungkol dun sa 15 years. Sabi niya, Joey De Leon stressed that his much talk about remark on willingly bending his knees for those who will reach the 15 years mark was not for noontime show It's Showtime, but it was for those who were alleging that Itbulaga is rumored to end its 45-year run. The TV host comedian posted a video on Instagram earlier today to shut down people from further fueling fire to the issue and for misinterpreting his remark. Ito ay para lang matapos yung mapag-usapan, yung usap-usapan. Unang-una, hindi namin kaaway yung It's Showtime. Yung Showtime matagal na naming kapitbahay yun. Hindi rin kami tinitira, hindi rin namin sila tinitira. Itbulaga currently airs on TV5 in the same time slot with It's Showtime, which is simulcast on sister station GTV and GMA7. Totoo naman talaga, kung tutuusin ako sobrang ingat na ingat po talaga ako magbitaw ng mga words towards It's Showtime. Kasi wala po talaga tayong naririnig na wala silang mga hanash sa Itbulaga. But ang nakikita lang talaga natin sa Showtime ngayon is more on grateful sila dahil may mga taong nagki-cater po sa kanila, 'di ba? Itbulaga aired on GMA for more than 3 decades before its host decided to cut ties with its then producer Television and Production Exponent Incorporated or TAPE Incorporated. May 2023, they started airing on TV5 in July of the same year. Ang pinapatungkulan namin ni Tito Soto nung nagalit kami sa Itbulaga yung mga nasa social media na nagpo-post. Kaya hinamon ko 15 years kung tatagal yung mga nagpo-post na yon. Hindi Showtime, happy anniversary Showtime, 15 years na nga yung Showtime. Bakit ko hamunin yon? Sabi niya. Joey pointed out that there are only 2 noontime show currently seen on Free TV and he sees the other noontime show and its hosts as their contemporaries. Mahal namin ang Showtime dahil kasabayan namin, dadalawa na lang kami, wag ninyo kaming pagsabungin. Magkakaibigan din po kami, stress. Ang pinatutungkulan namin ni Tito ay yung nagpo-post na magsasara na kami. Dadalawa na lang kami, yung show, sasara pa yung isa. At yung isa yun, well, hindi naman sa pagmamayabang, longest running top 5 nga sa mundo Kaya nga, thank you, kasama kayo doon sa honor na yon. Kaya inuulit namin yung galit namin ni Tito at ng Dabarkad sa loob ay doon sa mga nagpo-post ng hindi Free TV, yung mga nasa Facebook, Instagram, sa social media, yung mga salbahe doon. Sabi niya, the vocal TV host reiterated that he will fulfill his viral remark if those who have been spreading the issue with last 15 years. He also reiterated that Itbulaga and It's Showtime are not enemies. Kaya, para malinaw talagang lulod ako, dadapa pa ako, maka 15 years lang yung mga chismoso na yon, yung mga sinungaling na yon. Pero yung Showtime, we love you. Hindi kami magkakaaway at nagtatrabaho lang kami. Yun lang yun, ganun lang kalinaw. Nililinaw ko lang kasi hahaba pa to. Yun po yung isa sa mga paglilinaw ni Master Henyo Joey De Leon patungkol po sa issue. Kasi parang nagtothrow kasi ng shades Parang medyo hindi naging maganda yung naging issue na to or nung narinig po ng ilang mga followers ng It's Showtime. Actually, hindi naman talaga It's Showtime mismo ang nang-iintriga or gumagawa ng issue Yung mga taong yung mga like may mga Facebook page like Itong si Procnoy, 'di ba? Pag pinuntahan niyo po 'yan, walang ginawa yan kundi siraan ng Itbulaga. So dapat yan bigyan niya ng bigyan ng sanction yan eh. Pero aside from that, syempre, tinawag ng yayamanin ang TVJ dahil po sa nilabas na billions of revenue pesos in ad revenues in the first 6 months of Itbulaga deal with MVP's TV5. So, comedy trio Vic Soto, Joey De Leon moved to TV5 of bilyonaryo Manny B. Pangilinan is paying off well for the host of Itbulaga. Babler reported that TVJ production generated 501 millions in airtime sponsorship and digital revenues from June 21 to December 31st, 2023. Ito po yung pinaka-black and white po talaga nila na nilabas po nila for them to prove na wala pong katotohanan yung lumalabas na balita na malulugi na sila at magsasara na. TVJ posted a net profit of 43 million during the same period when Itbulaga was initially branded as EAT. EAT pa yon. Hindi pa sila totally Itbulaga nun. While they pursue a legal measure against their long-time producer owned by the Halosos family to reclaim their brand. Babler expect profit to improve further this year, driven by an influx of new advertisers following Itbulaga's successful transition from GMA network. Additionally, costs are expected to stabilize after last year's investment in light and technical equipment for remote broadcasts. TV5 is also prepping the Meralco Theater to accommodate a bigger live audience for Itbulaga. Having learned from its experience with TVJ set up its own production company to enter into a 50-50 production collaboration with TV5 upon debuting their noontime show on July 1st, 2023. So yun yung naging usapan nila ng MVP or Manny B. Pangilinan. Pagpasok nila ng TV5, they are not just an employee, they are not just a talent of TV5, but also ginawa po silang mga co-producer ng nasabing network. So, ibig sabihin, 50-50 po ang kitaan nila. 50-50 din po ang kanilang gastos. So, 50% na mapupunta po, 50% na gastos ay i-shell out ng TVJ Production and 50% from TV5. Yun po yung usapan. TVJ merely laughed off recent rumors that it would soon go off the air due to financial problems. Ayun. Yun po yung ilan sa mga paglilinaw po ng kampo ng Itbulaga patungkol sa bagay na ito. Biruin po ninyo, within 6 months is half billions yung kanilang kinita. 6 na buwan pa lang yun How much more sa mga succeeding days, no? So, hindi po pala totoo yung sinasabi ng ilan sa mga vloggers, isang vloggers po na kilalang vloggers, na parang humihina yung pre-TV. Kasi ganun pa rin yung kitaan napakalaki pa rin, diba? So, ito isang malaking sampal para sa mga taong nagkakalat ng balita na nalulugi na nga ang TVJ at ang Itbulaga. So, sana po clear sa atin ng lahat. And that's it for today. For more videos and updates, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Dar Eds TV. God bless everyone!